Hello everyone and welcome to the Brainwaves. In the previous video we have discussed about the Python IDEs part 1. There we have discussed about the idle IDE, the item IDE and the PyCharm IDE. In that video we have also shown the practical demonstration of PyCharm and atom IDE. We have downloaded the PyCharm and atom and we have also run few instructions on those IDEs. In this video, I am going to discuss about the Python IDEs and this is the part 2. So these are the IDEs which I am going to cover: Jupyter IDE, the Visual Code IDE, Wing Python IDE, PyDev IDE and the last one is nothing but the Spider IDE. Okay. So before starting with the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then I request to please do subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification whenever I will upload the next video. So let's quickly start. Let me start with the Jupyter notebook. This is the IDE. This is called as a Jupyter notebook and this is the symbol as I have indicated here. So this is the Jupyter notebook. This Jupyter notebook is an open source web application. This is an open source web application. It is open source first of all and it is a web application. Why it is called as web application, that I will tell you in a minute. Where you can share your live code, your equations, your visualizations with the others, and it can be used for data cleaning, it can be used for data transformation. This particular IDE we can use for data cleaning, as well as we can use it for data transformation, as well as we can use it for statistical modeling and many more. So the Jupyter notebook is one of the widely used IDE in the industry, with the help of which you can share your live code, you can share the equations and the visualization with the other peoples. So this is the Jupyter IDE. Let's quickly see how to install the Jupyter IDE on our Windows 10. Let me go to the start menu. So I will type here Jupyter notebook. You can see it will take a little bit time depending on the configuration of your PC. So now you can see it has been opened and this is the link. By default it will get open with Opera browser. In my PC Opera browser is installed, that's why by default it is opening with Opera browser, but I will close it down and I will copy this link and I will paste it in the Chrome browser. So in the Chrome, in new tab I have pasted it. So this Jupyter notebook has been opened now. Now what I will do, I will click on new. So a Python 3 file will get open. A new Python file will get created in the browser itself. So you can see, and these are the cells. You can change the type of the cells from the menus. So simply I will write here print hello. Let me quickly type it and let me run it. But before running, if you are simply hitting enter button, it will take you to the next line. बट मुझे नेक्स्ट लाइन नहीं जाना है, मुझे वो जो सेल है वो एग्जीक्यूट कराना है. उसके लिए मैंने शिफ्ट एंटर किया है, उसके वजह से वो सेल एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगा. यू आर हैविंग एन ऑप्शन टू एग्जीक्यूट विद द हेल्प ऑफ माउस ऑल्सो, बट मुझे माउस से नहीं करना है, मुझे कीबोर्ड से ही करना है. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट लाइन में मैं टाइप कर रहा हूँ ए इज़ इक्वल्स टू 10, बी इज़ इक्वल्स टू 20, सी इज़ इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस बी, बट इट इज़ गिविंग काइंड ऑफ एरर. सो लेट मी चेंज इट. आई विल राइट डायरेक्टली सी इज़ इक्वल्स टू 10 plus 20. Hope so it will get executed. Yeah. Now I want to check कि C का वैल्यू क्या है. So I will write simply C and I will hit shift enter. आप लोग देख सकते हो आंसर आ गया है 30. So this is the Jupyter notebook. Now let me go back to the presentation. The next IDE which we are going to talk is the Spider notebook, is the Spider IDE. This is also a widely used IDE for the Python programming. Let me quickly type here Spider. So मैं यहाँ पे Spider टाइप किया. जैसे ही स्पाइडर टाइप किया, जो स्पाइडर मेरे पास इंस्टॉल्ड है आईडी वो ओपन हो रहा है, आप लोग देख सकते हो। द स्पाइडर इज़ यूज फॉर द हेवी computations like scientific and mathematical computations are to be taken place in the spider id. You can use any other id, but in spider what I can say, it simply supports it. It is taking a significant time to load. या बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट ये जो सारा कोड है वो आया हुआ है, ये सारा कोड मैं पहले क्लियर कर लेता हूँ। या अभी मैंने न्यू फाइल ओपन किया है जहाँ पे मैं सिंपली लिखने वाला हूँ प्रिंट हेलो। आपके समझने के लिए जस्ट एक सिंपल लाइन एग्जीक्यूट करना चाहता हूँ मैं। सो आई विल राइट हियर प्रिंट हेलो। आई हैव राइट क्लिक करने के बाद रन पे क्लिक करूँगा मैं। आप लोग देख सकते हो ऊपर मेन्यू में भी रन का ऑप्शन है, फ्रॉम देयर ऑल्सो यू कैन रन। ऑन दी राइट हैंड साइड दिस इज़ दी, यस ही इज़ आस्किंग मी टू सेव। आप पाइथन कंसोल भी देख सकते हो। सो इधर राइट हैंड साइड में आपके पास पाइथन कंसोल भी है जहाँ पे आप लोग रन कर सकते हो। यस दिस इज़ द पाइथन कंसोल, बट आई वांट टू सिंपली रन इट। सो राइट क्लिक, I'll do right click here. Let me wipe out this first. I'll do right click here और यहाँ पे run. Yes, F1. Now you can see it will get executed. It is giving me little bit error because डबल कोड मैंने कंप्लीट नहीं किया है, तो मैं डबल कोड पहले कंप्लीट करता हूँ एंड देन आई विल ट्राई टू रन इट. Yes, now you can see here I am getting the output as hello. So let me come back to the presentation. So this is the PyDev ID. This PyDev ID is a plugin for the Eclipse, which is also an IDE which is used for supporting the code refactoring and the graphical debugging. So it is used for the graphical debugging specially. It is used for graphical debugging. Then we are having one more. You can see this is called as the Visual Studio Code. It is called as Visual Studio Code ID. Its main feature includes the support for debugging and the syntax highlighting. ये आप नाम से ही आप समझ सकते हो, इजी इट सपोर्ट्स विजुअल स्टूडियो. सो जो C# प्रोग्रामिंग है या ASP प्रोग्रामिंग है उसके लिए ये यूज़ होता है, because the Python is portable, so we can embed the code of the other languages into Python. So it is one of the supporting IDE for that. Then we are having the last one, that is called as the Wing Python IDE. So this Wing Python IDE is a powerful debugger with conditional breakpoints. Here in Wing Python IDE we are having a conditional debugger which is used for debugging, जो हम लोग डिबगिंग के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. अगर कोई बग रहता है हमारे प्रोग्राम में तो उसे ये आईडी सपोर्ट करता है निकालने के लिए. देन इट इज़ हैविंग एन ईजी कोड नेविगेशन सिस्टम. इट इज़ हैविंग अ ईजी कोड नेविगेशन सिस्टम. So these are the IDEs. Out of that, majorly this item Spider, PyCharm, Jupyter is used along with IDLE. But in our Python course, mainly we are going to use these two IDEs. First one is PyCharm and the second one is Jupyter Notebook. This we are going to use. These all are the offline IDEs which are need to be installed on your standalone PC. One more IDE is there, that is a Google Colab, that we are going to talk about in the next lecture. So that this Google Colab is having a structure like Jupyter Notebook. It is like Jupyter Notebook only, but Jupyter Notebook, what I can say, it is connected to it will be in your browser only. It will be connected to your standalone browser on your PC and it will not require any internet. While when we will be talking about Google Colab, so in Google Colab you will be requiring an internet. You will be requiring an active internet connection. You will be requiring an active internet connection to run it. Okay, so in the next lecture we will talk about that. सो दिस इज़ ऑल गाइज फ्रॉम माई साइड। आज मैंने आपको जो डिफरेंट आईडीज़ है उनको कैसे इंस्टॉल कराते हैं, आशा करता हूँ ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया रहेगा। अगर ये पसंद आया है देन काइंडली शेयर एंड कमेंट ऑन माई वीडियो एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल। थैंक यू वेरी मच। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। टिल देन गुड बाय, गॉड ब्लेस यू।